everyone. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my exercise for Bailey. So ito lang yung ano ko kasi marami ng ginawa ko nila guys. Mostly dancing. So nakita ko lang sa inyo. Ito sa isa sa exercise ko sa aking Bailey. Ulit-ulitin mo siya guys, do this. If you can do this 200 times, 100 times, much better. So last exercise. Lahat naman ng exercise guys, mag-i-effect lang yan kung lagi mo ginagawa. Dapat ilagay lang sa isip, hindi tatama rin. Okay, that is it guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much once again and please follow me.